Sir, good day. Ask ko lang po yung behind the neck barbell press. Malaki po ba yung tulong to develop rear at traps at sa shoulders? Sa lahat ng old school exercises, ito talaga yung hindi ko nare-recommend, especially if ang gusto mo lang talagang i-improve is yung traps and rhomboids mo. Masyadong risky itong exercise na to, especially sa shoulders mo, kasi pinipilit yung balikat mo sa posisyon na hindi niya gusto. Extreme external rotation, stress sa rotator cuff, konting mali mo lang, shoulder impingement, goodbye training ka na agad. Pwede mo lang siguro itong gawin if advanced lifter ka na and you have a really good mobility which most lifters don't have. But to be honest, yung risk to reward ratio is sobrang baba and hindi talaga siya worth it. Mas better and safe alternatives is doing overhead barbell press up front or dumbbell shoulder press. At kung gusto mo talagang pakapalin yung traps at rhomboids mo, mag-focus ka on barbell row or chest-supported dumbbell row, pwede ka rin mag-shrugs and farmer's carry. So, yun lang. Train smart, play safe.